Hey mocktail lovers, today I'm taking you on a flavorful journey with delicious cherry juice mocktails you absolutely need to try. Cherry juice, with its vibrant color and perfect blend of sweet and tart, is the star of our show. First up, let's talk origins. The term mocktail mixes mock and cocktail, referring to non-alcoholic drinks that mimic traditional cocktails. They became popular during the Prohibition era in the US, and guess what? They're making a huge comeback today. Cherry juice is not just tasty, it's packed with health benefits. It's rich in antioxidants, acts as a natural sleep aid, helps with muscle recovery, and is great for heart health. Now, let's dive into some fabulous recipes. First, we have the cherry limeade mocktail. Mix 1 cup of tart cherry juice of 2 limes, and 1 tablespoon of honey or agave syrup in a pitcher. Pour over ice, top with sparkling water, and garnish with lime slices and fresh cherries. Refreshing and delicious. Next, the cherry ginger mocktail. Combine 1 cup of tart cherry juice, 1 to 2 cup ginger ale, 1 tablespoon lime juice, and 1 teaspoon honey. Fill the glass with ice, top with ginger ale, and garnish with fresh cherries and lime wedges. Sweet and spicy perfection. Lastly, let's make a cherry mojito. Muddle 5 to 6 mint leaves with 1 Oz simple syrup and 1/2 Oz lime juice. Add 1 Oz tart cherry juice, fill with ice, top with club soda, and garnish with cherries and a mint sprig. So refreshing. So there you have it, cherry juice mocktails that are not only tasty, but also healthy. Whether you're hosting a party or just chilling at home, these drinks are sure to impress. Cheers to delicious and healthy mocktails.